the key to Africa.
Kenya is the key. Wow.
Without Kenya, you can't open.
You can't open it. Wow.
This is the way you open Kenya.
Wow.
Then you
So
go back
nice.
like this. You
Wow.
see? Yeah, they say Kenya is the London of Africa.
Wow. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Alkaline from Jam Tours Africa. And I'm standing at the Maasai market in Kenya, family. We get all the cultural stuff. And as you know, we go deep into the culture of Africa. I want to spread it around the world. And that's the reason why as you know guys, Jam Tours, we want to spread Jam Tours around the world so people can come and explore and experience Africa to the fullest. So we're at the Maasai market. And as you know, just like we do it in Ghana, we do it in Kenya. And as you can see guys, all cultural stuff. We're going to go inside and show you what it is like there guys. So, guys, Jam Tours Africa is up and running and alive. Like, subscribe, share on Instagram at Jam Tours Africa and on YouTube at Jam Tours Africa. So go subscribe and share now. We're taking it inside. Let's do this. Yes guys, so we are taking it inside, and as you can see guys, this will be amazing. This will be super fun. I'm really impressed with what Kenya cultural stuff. And I want to show you that guys. These, when you come on the Jam Tour tours, this is some of the tour will take you on cultural tours, so you can have all the, you know, the cultural stuff.
I want to show you what I do like in Jamaica.
We are in the market, the Maasai market.
Excuse me, after you see my
Sure, we'll do.
brother from Jamaica, I will do something for you. I want to show you the posters.
Okay.
This one, you have something like this?
No, what is it? Let me
It's
see.
a map of Africa. They say without Kenya, you can't open.
Oh,
You are
wow.
Kenya. This is the place you are.
Yeah.
You open like this. This is the key. Then you go back like this.
Oh, wow.
Inside you can keep anything you like, secret
And you
things.
can close it.
Then you close like this. Nobody can open. You see? This is
Wow.
the way you close.
How much for this?
Kenya is, this one because you are my brother, but different mother. Can I do 1,000 for you?
1,000.
Don't shout
No.
because of Buddha.
No, no, you have to do.
Okay, come, don't go far.
Oh, that's
I
a.
want to show you that.
Wow.
So in the market there is bargaining. How much you want to give me? To give your sister. I'm your sister.
I only have 500.
You take 2 or 3.
I'll give you 500
For 1 or 2.
for one.
Yeah, I mean you take 2.
One I want. What's one?
Which color?
I like this color.
This is
That one.
the brown. And don't tell anybody. And the plates, the plates, yeah,
Oh, the plates. See, you eat out of these plates.
yeah, just you see the plates. Like this, brother, you can put on the table, and you can put the fruit, the dry fruits. You can put like this for decoration in your house.
Yeah.
So you are the one who will decide what you will use for it.
Oh, wow. How much for that one?
This one because Rafiki, and I want you to speak Swahili. Rafiki means friend.
Mm-hmm.
Because you are a Rafiki.
Yeah.
For the plate, can I give you for 1, 2?
I don't have so much money on me right now.
Okay, tell me together. Now combine it together.
Combine it together.
How much? Then your present is here.
As you can see, guys, I'll be buying this one to put my chain in. As you can have a lot of African
This is your
chain.
present.
That's my present.
Yeah, and don't
Wow.
tell anyone.
You guys, you don't tell anybody about this.
You
When you
like
come-
rhino?
check out this lady. She's at the front. So when you come to Maasai market, check her out. Get your souvenir.
Yeah.
I'll be getting this to put my chain in. The key is Kenya.
Kenya is the key to Africa.
Kenya is the key. Wow.
Without Kenya, you can't open.
You can't open it. Wow.
This is the way you open Kenya.
Wow.
Then you
So
go back
nice.
like this. You
Wow.
see? Yeah, they say Kenya is the London of Africa.
Wow.
You do like this.
Wow. That's so creative.
Kifungu, we call it kifungu.
Kifungu.
Unlocking.